To check the XP Service Pack installed on your system, go to Start menu, right-click on My Computer, click Properties. The dialog box will show the Service Pack version details. If you are using Service Pack lower than 3, then you have to upgrade. After upgrading, run the installer, accept the license agreement, select the Tally application path to configure, installer copies required files and completes installation. To check whether the configuration made are applied or not, browse for Tally folder. Select Tally configuration settings file and observe TDL file being included in the configuration file.